Hello everyone, this is Junjun and आप देख रहे हो Junjun's Easy Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you what I did in my trip to Bangalore. We made sure to take all the precautions while traveling like mask, sanitizer, disinfectant spray, and so come along with me and see some exciting places and food. शुरू करते हैं विधान सौधा से. दिस इज द मेजेस्टिक बिल्डिंग ऑफ लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली ऑफ बेंगलुरु. दिस इज द वन ऑफ द मस्ट विजिट प्लेसेस ऑफ द सिटी. ये बना था 1956 में. ये ब्यूटीफुल बिल्डिंग बनाने में 4 साल लग गए थे. राइट नियर द विधान सौधा इज द कार्बन पार्क. ये बेंगलुरु का प्रसिद्ध लैंडमार्क होने के साथ साथ शहर की बीचों बीच है. कार्बन पार्क इज द लंग स्पेस ऑफ द सिटी. One of the things to do in Bangalore is to have a proper South Indian meal, so we headed to Nagarjuna. The food was wholesome and delicious. Stop by the supermarket to buy things for dinner. और ये मैं बना रही हूँ वेज नूडल्स फॉर डिनर. Before going to UB City Mall, we drove by Brigade Road. Brigade Road बैंगलोर की बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट शॉपिंग एरिया है. आपको इंटरनेशनल और इंडियन ब्रांड की दुकानें बहुत मिल जाएंगे. अब हम आ गए हैं UB City Mall. In this mall, you can find all high-end luxurious brands like Michael Kors, Coach, Burberry, and many more. On the top floor, there is a home decor store called Oma, and we picked up some porcelain crockeries. I personally have a weakness for crockery, so I couldn't stop myself from buying some. If you are new to my channel Junjun's Easy Kitchen or have not subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon for some interesting uploads. Bangalore has a happening nightlife, and one of the most recommended microbreweries is Windmills Craft Work in Whitefield. This place has jazz theatre and the music is awesome. We tried their in-house brews and the food and the ambience was out of this world. For its lush green trees, Bangalore is known as Garden City of India. This is Lal Bagh Botanical Garden. Here it has an oldest rock formation of 1,000 years. Lal Bagh has India's largest selection of tropical plants brought from different parts of the world. These tall trees are known as Christmas tree. I was surprised to see these elephant trees, which we call as Otingakos in Assamese. There is a glass house inside Lal Bagh. They have a flower show on 26th January and 15th August in this glass house. We clicked some pictures too. If you're a lover of Bengali food, then please stop by this authentic Bengali restaurant called Esplanade in Indiranagar. They have a warm, old charm and the food was irresistible. Their must-have is Dap Chingri. For desserts, we stop by this cute place called Smoor. They have wide variety of desserts and sweet knickknacks. To do a little retail therapy, we went to Phoenix Market City and VR Mall. Between the two, they have almost all high street and affordable stores. Relaxing with a pedicure done in John Claude Beguin in Indiranagar. This is not a sponsored video. I just like the service there. Stop by for a lovely cup of tea in a beautiful cafe called Cafe Botanic in Indiranagar. This space is also perfect for some Instagrammy aesthetic pictures.